Welcome back to our channel. Do you remember that feeling when a phone completely shattered the rules and crushed the competition? That was the title of the flagship killer that OnePlus once held. Now, a defining moment is approaching. The OnePlus 15 is about to be released, and everything we know about it suggests this is a complete game changer. Hello everyone, the OnePlus 15 has officially been revealed, but not in the usual way. It has emerged from a series of strategic leaks, high-profile gaming partnerships, and unexpected announcements from Qualcomm. But there's one thing that makes me more curious than anything else. Is OnePlus trading its unique look to reclaim the flagship killer crown? Let's dive into the secrets of this phone. We have to start with the most controversial point, the design. OnePlus has abandoned the distinctive circular camera module of the OnePlus 13, a design that was once praised as gorgeous. Instead, we have a square camera block in the top left corner, a design that is familiar and quite generic. Why this change? There's a very plausible theory. A unique, complex camera module would be more expensive to produce. By switching to a simpler design, OnePlus can save costs to invest in more important things. And this is where the OnePlus 15 truly shines. The company has confirmed that the OnePlus 15 will be one of the first devices to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. Qualcomm claims this is the world's fastest mobile CPU, promising powerful and sustained gaming performance. But there's another secret weapon. The screen. The OnePlus 15 will feature a 165Hz display. This number far exceeds the 120Hz standard on most current flagship phones, including the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This indicates that OnePlus is directly targeting the professional gaming market. Now let's talk about the most striking color, original Sand Dune. This is not just a new color, it's a material upgrade. According to leaks, this version uses a titanium frame, but what's even more interesting, other sources suggest it will have a ceramic coating which is 4 times stronger than titanium. So, what's the answer? It's a combination. A titanium frame to reduce the weight to 211 grams, 4 grams lighter than the standard 215-gram versions, and a ceramic coating on the back to enhance durability and provide a premium desert sand-like feel. The original Sand Dune color is not just a color, it's a premium material. To achieve these performance upgrades, OnePlus had to sacrifice something very important. Although the camera still has 350-megapixel sensors, the Hasselblad logo is gone. Instead, it's replaced with the new in-house processing technology, Detail Max. Ending the partnership with Hasselblad allows OnePlus to save a significant amount on licensing fees. This saving, along with the simplified camera design, has enabled OnePlus to invest in core components, the chip, the display, and the battery. Conclusion: the price statement. Here's the most important thing: the price. Rumors suggest that the OnePlus 15 will have a highly competitive price, possibly 10% lower than the OnePlus 13. With a lower price but equipped with the most powerful chip, a 165Hz screen, and a massive 7,300 mAh battery, OnePlus is returning to its flagship killer position. So, will this comeback be successful? The OnePlus 15 is ready to sacrifice a unique design to deliver ultimate performance and an affordable price. This is a huge gamble. But for users who have always craved speed and power, this might be the phone they've been waiting for. What do you think of this change? Would you choose a more powerful phone with a simple design or a more beautiful phone with less performance? Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.